Hello, I'm Don Halstrom, and thank you for taking the time to consider our product, the Snore Owl. For the past 15 years, we've been solving snoring problems around the world. And when speaking to groups of snorers, I've often said, if I line up 10 of you in a row, 7 of you will have success with this product. No one can guarantee that their product will work for everyone. However, I can guarantee to you that you will be 100% satisfied with the Snore Owl, or we will give you your money back. From my household to yours, I urge you to give the Snore Owl a try. It works for my family and myself. Thank you.